what's up guys? I hope you all are doing well and good. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about one of the most trending topic these days, which is working in a startup versus working in a big tech. So whenever you are applying for a job, I know that this question arises in your mind that where my growth is more. If I work on a startup or if I work on a big tech giant. So today I will try to break down the key differences between these two, which definitely will help you to make an informed decision in your life. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing I'll talk about is the work environment. So in the startup, your work environment is something like you have to wear multiple hats, which means that you are assigned for some role and you don't have to specifically work upon that role. You have to, work upon different roles as well. Like if you are assigned as a front-end developer, so you just don't have to work upon front-end development tasks, but also you have to work on back-end tasks or DevOps tasks or any other tasks. So this will definitely give you chance to learn more and explore more fields, and you can make an informed decision after that. And when I talk specifically about big tech companies, so they have more structured and what do you call it, process oriented environment, which means they follow agile methodology and you'll have a defined role and responsibility. So if you are assigned a front end development task, you don't have to go and work in the database or anything. More predictable workflow. So it's up to you which environment you like more and where you want to work. Second thing when I talk about is the growth and career development, which is one of the most important thing when it comes to your life and job. So at startup, you can rise through ranks quickly. Like you can learn a lot. You can definitely show your visibility. It means that your impact is more visible. If the company is in success, then you could be the major reason for that, because it's a very small team and you will be recognized. But when you talk about big tech companies, you have a lot of people working and you will have access to mentorship, you have programs, you have internal trainings, and the chance to work with top mind people out there. So however, promotions may take longer as large companies often have more layers of managements, but it's not about that. It's about what's your surrounding you're working upon. Then when you talk about work life balance, so let's get real about work life balance here. Startup often demands long working hours, especially in the early stages of the startup. So if you love the hustle and are ready to invest your time and energy to learn something new and build something and make an impact, you can go here. At big tech companies, work life balance tends to be more manageable, especially at the companies which are known for their employee friendly policies, because most of companies are like that. So with it's like more structured hours and benefits, like you have PTO, which we call as paid time off, and wellness programs. You can maintain a better balance in your leaves and all, so you have like good amount of leaves also you can take. And when it comes to money, so startup may offer lower salary initially but may provide equity or stocks. And on the other hand, yes, big tech companies are known for their competitive salaries, their bonuses, their extensive benefits packages, everything. They provide you healthcare. Some companies provide you retirement plans, little lot of perks, and it depends upon company to company. So each company has their different policy. So one of the biggest draws of working in a startup is, I'll say, that the immediate impact you can have. So your ideas can go from concept to implementation in no time, and your contribution will be felt across the company. If you're getting my point. And in big tech companies, you will be working on large scale projects. There will be a like huge project, and your contribution might be like more focused on specific feature you are building or specific component you are building, while your impact might be not as visible as you are working in a startup. But yeah, you will be working on something which millions of users are already using. So it's like totally depends upon you where you have to go and what's your point of view is. both of they have their pros and cons, and the right choice depends upon, again, what you are looking for in your career. So let me know in the comment section, would you prefer a startup life or a big tech experience? And yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you find this helpful. And if you want me to create more such videos, then let me know in the comment section again, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.